Mathematics Class 11 Chapters 9 Sequences and Series Exercise 9.1. Write first 5 terms of the sequence in exercise 1 to 6 whose n terms are. Question number 1. The nth term of the question 1 is an equal to n into n plus 2. We have to find the first 5 terms. Therefore, we put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here let us find the first term by putting n equal to 1 wherever is n. Okay. So here a1 equal to 1 into 1 plus 2 equal to 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So 1 into 3 which gives you 3. Then put n equal to 2. So a2 equal to here also 2 into n means 2 plus 2 equal to 2 as it is into 2 plus 2 is 4. So 2 into 4 gives you 8. Then put n equal to 3. So a3 equal to here 3 into 3 plus 2 equal to 3 into 3 plus 2 is 5 which gives you 15. Then put n equal to 4. So a4 equal to n equal to 4 into 4 plus 2. Okay, this n value is 4. So 4 into 4 plus 2 is 6. The product is 24. Now for putting n equal to 5, a5 equal to 5 into 5 plus 2 equal to 5 as it is into 5 plus 2 is 7. So 5 into 7 is 35. Therefore, the first 5 terms are 3, 8, 15, 24, 35. Okay, so that is what the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, an, the general term is given to you as n by n plus 1 and you have to find the first 5 terms. So put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So wherever is n, place 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so let us start with 1. So a1 equal to here also 1 divided by here 1 plus this 1 is fixed equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. Now put n equal to 2. So n equal to 2 equal to here 2 divided by n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 equal to 2 as it is divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Then n equal to 3. So a3 equal to 3 divided by n plus 1, that is 3 plus 1 equal to 3 as it is divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. Then put n equal to 4. So here a4 equal to here 4 divided by 4 plus 1. So 4 as it is and 4 plus 1 is 5. Now put n equal to 5. So a5 equal to here 5 divided by n plus 1. So 5 plus 1 equal to 5 as it is and 5 plus 1 is 6. Therefore, the first 5 terms are, this is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6. Okay, these are written here. Question number 3. The general term is an equal to 2 power n. So put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So when we put n equal to 1, equal a1 equal to 2 power n, that is 2 power 1 equal to 2. Put n equal to 2, so a2 equal to 2 power 2 which gives you 2 into 2 as 4. Then put 3. So a3 equal to 2 power n, so 2 power 3 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 which gives you 8. Then put 4. So a4 equal to 2 power 4. The product of 2 power 4, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is 16. Now n equal to 5. So a5 equal to 2 power 5 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 which gives you 32. Okay, therefore the first 5 terms are, these are the one, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Okay, so I have written over here 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Question number 4, an equal to 2n minus 3 divided by 6. We have to find the first 5 terms. So put n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Start with n equal to 1. So put here 1, a1 equal to 2 into 1 minus 3 divided by 6 equal to 2 into 1 is 2 minus 3 by 6. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 divided by 6 as it is. Put n equal to 2. So a2 equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 divided by 6 equal to 2 into 2 4 minus 3 by 6. 4 minus 3 is 1 divided by 6. Then put n equal to 3. So here you put 3, here also put 3. So you get equal to 2 into 3 minus this 3 as it is divided by 6 as it is equal to 2 into 3 is 6 minus 3 divided by 6. 6 minus 3 is 3 by 6 cut by 3. So you get equal to 1 by 2. Now put n equal to 4. So here 4 you have to put. So a4 equal to 2 into 4 minus 3 by 6 equal to 2 into 4 is 8 minus 3 by 6. 8 minus 3 is 5 by 6. Now put 5. So a5 equal to, here you have to place n equal to 5. So 2 into 5 minus 3 by 6. 2 into 5 is 10 minus 3 divided by 6. 10 minus 3 is 7 by 6. So the first 5 terms are minus 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 1 by 2, 5 by 6 and 7 by 6. Okay, so these are the first 5 terms. Question number 5. The general term is an equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 into 5 power n plus 1. So putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So start with n equal to 1. So put here 1. So a1 equal to minus 1 power 1 minus 1 into 5 power n plus 1, that is 1 plus 1, equal to minus 1 power 1 minus 1 is 0 into 5, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 5 square. Minus 1 power 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. So minus 1 power 0 is 1 into 5 square is 25. 1 into 25 is 25. Now put n equal to 2. So a2 equal to minus 1 power n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, into 5 n plus 1, that is 2 plus 1, equal to minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 power into 5 power, 2 plus 1 is 3 power. Minus 1 as it is and 5 cube is 125. Put n equal to 3. So a3 equal to minus 1 power n minus 1. So 3 minus 1 into 5 power n plus 1. So 3 plus 1 equal to minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 and 5 power 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 1 power to see. Negative number has got even power. 2 is even number. So the value will be positive. So minus 1 into minus 1 will give you plus 1. So no more writing sign and 5 power 4 is 625. Then put n equal to 4. So minus 1 power 4 minus 1 and 5 power 4 plus 1 equal to minus 1 power 4 minus 1 is 3 and 5 power 4 plus 1 is 5. And this 5 power 5 is 3, 1, 2, 5 and minus 1 power 3. This is negative number, power is odd, therefore it will be negative answer. Minus 1 power 3 will be minus 1. Okay, so this minus is here. Now put n equal to 5. So minus 1 power 5 minus 1, 5 power 5 plus 1 equal to minus 1 power 5 minus 1 is 4 and 5 power 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 power 6 is 15,625 and minus 1 power 4, that is even number. Therefore this value will be plus 1. So it is plus 1 here. Therefore the first 5 terms are 25 minus 125, 625 minus 3,125 and 15,625. Okay, so that is a solution for question number 5. Question number 6. The general term is an equal to n into n square plus 5 by 4. Putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So start with n equal to 1. So a1 equal to 1 into 1 square plus 5 divided by 4. Wherever is n, just place n equal to 1. Then 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So here 1 into anything is same value. So this I am not writing 1, and 1 square is 1 plus 6, 5, which gives you 6 divided by 4. You can cut by 2. So here is 3 by 2. Now put n equal to 2. So here 2, here 2, here 2. So a2 equal to 2 into 2 square plus 5 by 4. This also I can cut here. So 2 and 4 when you cut, you get here 2. 2 square is 4 plus 5, which is equal to 4 plus 5 is 9 divided by 2. Put n equal to 3. So a3 equal to 3 into 3 square plus 5 divided by 4 equal to 3 as it is into 3 square is 9 plus this 5 by 4 equal to 3 into 9 plus 5 is 14 by 4. This I can cut 14 by 4. So I can cut by 2. So you get here 3 into 7. If you cut by 2, here 7 and here 2. 3 into 7 is 21. Divide by the 2 as it is. Now put n equal to 4. Equal to 4 into 4 square plus 5 divided by this 4. This 4 and this 4 cut. So equal to 4 square is 16 plus 5. This addition is 21. Put n equal to 5. So a5 equal to 5 into 5 square plus 5 by 4 equal to 5 into 5 square is 25 plus 5 by 4 equal to 5 into 25 plus 5 is 30 by 4. I can cut by 2. So when you cut by 2, here you get 15 and here you get 2. So here 5 into 15 gives you 75 divided by 2. Therefore the first 5 terms are 3 by 2, 9 by 2, 21 by 2, 21 and 75 by 2. So that is solution for question number 6. Find indicated terms in exercise 7 to 10. Question number 7. An equal to 4n minus 3, A17, A24, and here we are given the general term. Okay, the nth term is given. So 17 and 24, you have 17th and 24th term you have to find. So you will put n value as 17 and 24. So putting n equal to 17 and 24. So first let us put n equal to 17. So A17 equal to 4 into n. So 4 into 17 minus 3 equal to 4 into 17 is 68 minus 3. This difference is 65. Now for n equal to 24. So A24 equal to 4 into n. So 4 into 24 minus 3 equal to 4 into 24 is 96 minus 3. This difference is 93. So the 17th term, that is A17, is 65 and 24th term, that is A24, is 93. Question number 8. The general term given as an equal to n square by 2 power n, and you have to find the A7, that is 7th term. So putting n equal to 7. So A7 equal to 7 power 2 divided by 2 power n, that is 2 power 7. 7 square is 7 into 7 and 2 power 7 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 7 times, right? 7 into 7 is 49. Divided by this product, if you do, you will get it as 128. So the 7th term in the given general term is 49 by 128. Question number 9. The general term an equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 n cube, and you have to find a9, the 9th term. Okay, so put n equal to 9. So a9 equal to minus 1 power n minus 1. So 9 minus 1 into 9, instead of n you put 9, so 9 power 3 equal to minus 1 power 9 minus 1 is gives you 8, and 9 cube is 9 into 9 into 9. Now this is all negative number, even power, so it will be positive, so there is no more negative sign here, and 9 into 9 into 9 will give you 729. So that is the 9th term with the given general term. Question number 10. An equal to n into n minus 2 divided by n plus 3, and you have to find a20, that is 20th term. So put n equal to 20. So a20 equal to here 20 into here n minus 2, so 20 minus 2 divided by n plus 3, so 20 plus 3 equal to 20 as it is. 20 minus 2 is 18 divided by 20 plus 3 is 23. The product for the numerator is 360 divided by 23. So that is the 20th term, or a20 value is 360 divided by 23. Write first 5 terms in exercise 11 to 13 and obtain series. So you are given the terms, general term, and you have to find the 5 first term, plus you have to write the series. Okay, series means in the sum form. So putting n equal to 2, 3, 4 and 5, because in the question 11 a1 is given to you 3, an is given to you 3 into a n minus 1 plus 2 for all n greater than 1. So this form you are going to use for n greater than 1. Okay, and you have to find the 5 terms. So first term is given, so you have to put 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, first term is given in the particular question, in this question. So a2, let us start with 2. So here put a2 equal to 3 into a n minus 1. So a2 minus 1 plus these 2 as it is equal to 3. a2 minus 1 is a1 plus 2. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1 equal to 3. A1 value given in the question as 3 plus this 2 equal to 9. 3 into 3 is 9 plus this 2, which gives you 11. Then put n equal to 3. So here a3 equal to 3 into a n minus 1. So 3 minus 1 plus 2 equal to 3. A 3 minus 1 means 2 plus 2 equal to 3 as it is, and a2 value from here, that is 11. So 11 plus 2 equal to 11 into 3 is 33 plus 2 gives you 35. So that is the value of a3. Now put n equal to 4. So a4 equal to 3 a n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1 plus these 2 as it is equal to 3 a 4 minus 1 is 3 plus 2. So a 3a3 plus 2 equal to 3 as it is, and a3 value from here is 35. So put 35 plus 2 equal to 3 into 35 is 105 plus 2, the addition is 107. Now put n equal to 5. So a5 is equal to 3 into a n minus 1. So 5 minus 1 plus 2 equal to 3 a 5 minus 1 is 4 plus 2 equal to 3 a4 value is 107. So put here plus 2 equal to 3 into 107 is 321 plus 2, which gives you 323. Therefore the first 5 terms are First one is 3 here, then 11, 35, 107 and 323, but they have also asked you to write in a series form. So series means sum of these. So the series will be 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 323 plus up to infinite. Okay, so it will go infinite, right? Question number 12. A1 equal to minus 1, an equal to an minus 1 by n is greater than equal to 2. So let us start with n equal to 2, because equal to also is there. A1 term is given, the first term. So putting n equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 in an, in this. So a2 equal to n minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 divided by n, that is 2, equal to a 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 equal to a1, value is given to minus 1 divided by 2. Put n equal to 3. So a3 equal to n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 divided by n, that is 3, equal to a 3 minus 1 is a2 divided by 3 equal to this a2 value we found here, minus 1 by 2 divided by 3. This 2 will come in the denominator and multiply with 3, so we get here equal to minus 1 by 6. Now put n equal to 4. So here you put 4, a4 equal to a 4 minus 1, that will give you a3 by 4. Okay, and here and so here also 4 denominator equal to a3 value is this one, minus 1 by 6. So I place here and divide by 4. 6 will come in the denominator and multiply with 4. So we get equal to minus 1 by 24. 6 into 4 is 24. Put n equal to 5. So a5 equal to a 5 minus 1, that is a4 divided by n, that is 5, equal to a4 value is from here, minus 1 by 24 divided by 5. This 24 will go in the denominator and multiply with 5. So 24 into 5 will give you 120. So this answer is equal to minus 1 by 120. Right? So we have got the first 5 terms. The first term is already given, but second, third, fourth and fifth we have found. So therefore, the terms of the sequence are minus 1, which is given. Okay. Then second one is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 24 and minus 1 by 120, minus 1 by 120, and the series will be sum of these. So minus 1 plus bracket minus 1 by 2 plus bracket minus 1 by 6 plus bracket minus 1 by 24 plus bracket minus 1 by 120 plus up to plus. Okay, so that is the series, and these are the 5 terms, first 5 terms. Question number 13. A1 equal to A2 equal to 2, an equal to an minus 1 n greater than 2. So putting n equal to greater than 2 means you will start with 3, 4, 5 in an. Okay. So they have asked us to find up to 5 terms. So put first 3. So here a3 equal to a 3 minus 1 minus this one as it is, equal to a 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 1 equal to a2 value given in the question as 2 minus this one. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Now put n equal to 4. So a4 equal to a 4 minus n minus 1 means 4 minus 1 minus this one as it is, equal to a 4 minus 1 is a3 minus 1 equal to a3 value from here it is 1. So 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Now put n equal to 5. So a5 here equal to a n minus 1. So a5 minus 1 minus this one as it is, equal to a5 minus 1 is a4 minus 1 equal to a4 value from here is 0 minus 1, which gives you minus 1. Therefore the terms are, the first 2 terms are 2 and 2, a1 and a2 are 2. So it is 2, 2. Third term is 1, fourth is 0 and fifth is minus 1. Right? Now we write the series. The series is sum of these. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus into bracket minus 1 plus up to plus. So that is solution for question number 13. Question number 14. The Fibonacci sequence is defined by 1 equal to a1 equal to a2 and an equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2 and greater than 2. Find an plus 1 by an for n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first let us find the value of a1, a2, a3, a4 and a5. a1 and a2 we don't need to find because it is given in the question, and a3 to 5 will find using this relation, the general term, for n greater than 2, not equal to, because a2 value is given to us 1. So we shall put n equal to 3, 4 and 5 in this relation. General term an equal to an minus 1 plus an minus 2. So let us put an equal to 3. So a3 equal to a3 minus 1. N minus 1 means 3 minus 1 plus an minus 2. So a3 minus 2. N equal to 3. Equal to a3 minus 1 is a2 plus a3 minus 2 is a1. Equal to a2 value they have given us in the question as 1. And a2 also is 1. So 1 plus 1 gives you 2. Now put n equal to 4. So here a4 equal to an minus 1. So a4 minus 1 plus an minus 2. So a4 minus 2 equal to a3 plus this is a2 equal to a3 value. From here it is 2 and a2 value given in the question as 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Now put n equal to 5. So here an. So a5 equal to an minus 1. So a5 minus 1 plus an minus 2. So a5 minus 2 equal to here you get a4 plus here a3 equal to a4 value from here it is 3 plus a3 value from here it is 2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So that is the value for a5. Now we have to find this ratio, right? So let us take this. Now an plus 1 divided by an. Putting n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So for n equal to 1, put here 1. So an plus 1. So a1 plus 1 divided by an. So a1 equal to a1 plus 1. So a2 by a1. a2 value is given 1 and a1 also is 1. So I just place the value here. So 1 by 1 which gives you 1. For n equal to 2, in this we put n equal to 2. So a2 plus 1 divided by a2 equal to this is a3 by a2 equal to a3. a3 value from here it is 2 divided by a2 value is given in the question as 1. So it is 2 by 1 which is 2. Then n equal to 3. So you put here 3 plus 1. So a3 plus 1 and divide by an. So a3 equal to a4 divided by a3 equal to a4. a4 value is 3 and a3 value is 2. So 3 by 2. Okay. Now for n equal to 4, put here 4, here 4. So a4 plus 1 by a4 equal to a5 by a4. Okay, this addition is 5. a5 value given to us, we have found here as 5. So 5 divided by a4 also we have found 3. So it is 5 by 3. Then for n equal to 5, same relation, same general term, a5 plus 1 divided by a5 equal to a6 by a5. Now a6 we have not found. So I found over here a6 equal to, by putting here, so if you put here 6 minus 1 that is 5, a5. And if you put here 6 minus 2, so it is 4, so a4, right? Now a5 value, we know a5 is 5. So it is 5 plus a4. a4 value is also we have found as 3. So 5 plus 3 which gives you 8. Okay, so we put here a6 as 8 and a5 already we have done it as 5. a5 equal to 5 value. So it is 5. So 8 by 5, right? So that means the ratio an plus 1 by an for n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is from here 1, 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 3, 8 by 5. Okay, these are the value I have written here. 1, 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 3 and 8 by 5. Okay, so here we end the exercise 9.1. We'll keep this point for today. Thank you very much.